Well, you might remember earlier this week, Monday's Back to School Weather Week report told you about the dangers of heat exhaustion at schools' athletic cranking back up, of course.
Yeah, well, there's another weather threat that schools have to keep a close eye on. The details in this report.
First thing I do is notify all coaches that weather could be imminent, especially that way the coaches, if they have to modify practice plans or game plans. Also, I let the officials know that, hey, we got a shot of weather coming in as well.
The weather can be great at the start of a practice or a game, but sometimes the clouds can build, and people need to be ready to know what to do should a thunderstorm strike. David Webb is the athletic trainer for Eastside High School in Taylors. In addition to watching for injuries, he also monitors weather conditions, keeping an eye out for lightning that may be getting close.
Our policy is actually at 10 miles. The procedure is to alert and to get all student athletes, and if we're in a game situation, all fans into a solid four-wall grounded building. Second alternative is in the car with the engine not running and the windows rolled up. Our goal is to have the bleachers cleared and have everyone insecure within 5 minutes.
The odds are, at some point, school events will be impacted by weather. There's 45 to 60 days a year, on average, that any location in the Western Carolinas will be within 10 miles of a thunderstorm. In an average year, there will be 6 to 12 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes within any 1 square mile area. Also in an average year, lightning is the second leading cause of storm-related deaths across the country. Keeping an eye on radar and a lightning detection app, David's role in keeping people safe goes beyond immediate medical needs on the field, alerting coaches, players, and fans to seek shelter if necessary.
One thing I do like with our policies is that if there is a thunderstorm warning or tornado watch or warning at all, no outside activities.